finally is ensuring that you're doing all of this in an audit-ready way. We know that many of you go through painstaking processes to make sure that your assets are managed appropriately, but you want to make sure that you're really buttoned up so that if a regulator comes knocking, you don't need to scramble to get the requisite paperwork together to show that you are managing your plan in a way that is compliant. That includes ALDs as well. And so we've seen and heard some things in the market where customers say, well, I've installed an ALD, so I'm set. And while ALDs are a valuable leak detection method, you still need to make sure that you have the records on hand for when they were installed, and then also that they're regularly calibrated. And so again, making sure that you are getting credit, making sure that all of the actions that you are taking are not only achieving the performance requirements that you all strive for with your assets, but that you're doing so in a way that meets the regulatory requirements so that you are very well prepared in the face of likely increasing enforcement.